In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website's title tags using Wix SEO. Title tags are a crucial part of SEO because they help search engines understand what your page is about, and they can entice potential visitors to click on your link in search results. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to optimize these tags effectively. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Wix. Open your preferred web browser and type Wix into the search bar. Click on the Wix. Create your website link that appears in the search results. This will lead you to the official website builder, where you can access your site's dashboard. If you're not already logged in, just provide your login credentials to enter your account. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look for the section that lets you manage your websites. You should find a button labeled Select and Edit Site. Click on it. This will grant you access to the editing environment of your specific website. Here, you can make changes to your site's design, settings, and of course, SEO elements. The next step is to click on the Edit Site button. This will open up the Wix editor. Now, you can begin making updates and optimizations. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Pages and Menu and click on it. This section contains all the pages currently on your website. Find the specific page you want to optimize. Hover over it, and you'll see 3 tiny dots appear just beside its name. Give them a click. This is your gateway to further settings related to that specific page. A drop-down will emerge, and among the options, you'll notice one called SEO Basics. Click on that, and it will transport you to the section where you can modify your title tags. Now you're ready to change your title tags. In this area, you can input text that is optimized for search engines. Type in a title that accurately reflects the content of the page while including relevant keywords. Remember, keep it clear and concise. Ideally, your title tag should be around 50 to 60 characters in length. This ensures it displays fully on search engine result pages without being cut off. After you've made your changes, make sure to save them. Optimizing title tags not only improves your search engine rankings, but also increases your site's visibility to the right audience. Regularly updating and reviewing these tags can have a significant impact on the effectiveness of your SEO strategy. So take a little time to ensure yours are as compelling and accurate as possible, and you'll likely see positive results. And that's it for today's tutorial on optimizing your website's title tags using Wix SEO. Following these steps will help ensure that your website is more appealing both to search engines and to potential visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your online presence.